inside this bag.
Money dey inside. Who do iPhone 14 Pro Max? Who do BB phone? Woman wey no get money.
Oya.
See your man. Make it so now.
Get on the river street. Yeah, who dey do street? I say hand over.
See your man.
Have yourself.
Okay, baby, yeah. What is it now? Why are you crying?
All these boys.
Where are they? Which boys are they? It's okay. I wish I can do something. Which way did they run to? Let me catch up on off and on.
You know the money that you from my hand is the money I borrowed. The money I borrowed from the church. Meeting room. That's what they collected. What will I tell them? What will I tell them?
I understand. Mommy used to go. Mommy used to go. I don't really find that big.
I want to die.
You want to die. Mommy, big. I want to die. You start crying, mommy, big. Please, please, okay, let's go. Don't cry, mommy.
Mama.
That's my bag.
This is your bag, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi!
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Chukwu can thank you.
No problem.
Wapo! Oya dele ma! Hey! Jesus! Hey! No what happened? Hey! Everything is intact.
Mechimezi and Ifechukwu. No, he had this fallen hand. Hey! Does it really mean I'm this useless? Barota! We care. I'm okay. Can't go useless. Eh? I need to find something to engage myself, so that I'll be busy.
But this is not funny. No, me say this matter is not funny. Do you know what would have happened to that woman?
The woman, she's poor now. He shouldn't have run away with his goose. So it's wrong.
The idea of running away from do you know if it were to be somewhere in Aba by now,
Jumbo justice.
When she sees me, she will accept me.
Talk of the devil.
How fun now?
I was just discussing with somebody here.
But I'm not seeing anybody.
No, all just Rubai inside now. Can you why are people laughing at me?
Oh, what in your practice, Sarah, here, stay.
No, I'm serious here. I'm serious. No, wait. Can you do that one more?
Okay, sorry. Okay, wait, what's happening? How far?
That's by the way, Sha. Where are you people going to under this hot sun?
No, should be the one to ask you. Where are you coming from? You left this morning. And you're coming back by this time of the day. Amen.
He went to Mama Nande's house. That widow that lost her husband sometime last year.
Why did you do?
Kadia Mwana.
Hey! Oh God, you look at me.
You know, say, if not be say this guy now our guy, I for just take God, take thunder, me fire this guy. I swear. No, if not be say we go cry, Lanudo. I for take thunder, make thunder fire you. Why this guy thunder to go?
Mama now. Hey, Mama, you not gonna put me up now. Hey, I'm already running late. Where is this room, my paper room?
Chisom.
Mama, what is
this?
Mama, good morning. I'm running late. You know, I have to go to the farm. I have things to do.
Calm down, Chisom. Hey, calm down.
What is it?
I know you slept very late yesterday. That's why I allowed you to sleep well before waking you up.
Mama, rest, okay? You know I have to go to the farm to finish the work I have pending there and go to the shop. Should have woken me now.
Why, calm down. No problem. Why you? Bia, come. Before you go to the farm, I need us to discuss something.
Discuss something? Mama, what is it that we have to discuss that will not wait? Mama, I'm running late. Now what is it you want us to talk about again? Mama, talk. I don't have time.
Every time you're in a haste. There's no time you're not in a haste.
What is this? I'm relaxed.
You know I'm your mother. And I'll be the one to tell you the truth. You are approaching your 30s. But I can't see you as someone who is worried about settling down or thinking of marriage.
Mama, wait, is this the discussion you want us to have this morning? Is this why you called me? To sit for us to talk about this? Mama, we have talked about this countless times now, and I told you that I am not interested in men. I don't need a man in my life. What a man can offer me, I can offer it to myself.
Chisom, you can offer it to yourself. You can give yourself whatever you want. Can you impregnate yourself? Can you impregnate yourself, Chisom?
Oh yeah, Mama, listen. There is something they call artificial insemination.
Artificial
insemination. So I don't need a man for me to have a child.
Hey,
Mama, please. We have discussed this. I don't need a man in my life. I am scared of men, Mama. I am scared of men. Considering what you went through in my father's hands. Despite all the love you gave to him, he didn't even show it back. And what did you get in return? Several beatings, morning and night, starvation, hunger, or is it emotional torture? Mama, please, is that the kind of man you want me to get married to? See, Mama, I am going to make money in this life. I know for sure I'm going to make money in this life. And I'll take care of you and my sister. Until then, Mama, please, let's not have this conversation. Biko, na yogi.
Chisom, I know your father was a beast. I know that. But I still want you to know that all men are not like your father. There are good men out there. Mazobika was here yesterday with his son to ask for your hand in marriage. Yes. And I know they are from good family. And with what I saw, his grandson Simon...
Mama, wait. Mama, we are going back and forth in this conversation. I don't have time. Let me go to the farm first, finish what I'm doing. Then once I come back, we can discuss about this.
As you are walking, be thinking about it.
Mama,
Chisom. Chisom. Chisom, give me attention now, please.
What is it?
Sorry, I'm stopping you on the way. I should have come to the house. I'm sorry.
Mize, what is it?
Okay. I don't want to waste your time, okay? Because I have 101 reasons to make you believe me. Okay? Son, I want you to be my girlfriend. I promise to take care of you, okay? I promise to love you from my heart, okay?
Mize, I've heard what you said.
Thank you.
And I'm glad you have poured out your heart to me. You're a nice man, I must say. But I'm sorry, I can't help you. I can't, I'm not interested.
Son, please just try to understand me, okay? I love you from my heart. Or am I not handsome? Am I not good looking? Please now accept me. I care for you, okay?
Please. As you can see, I'm very tired. And I have to go home. I'm not interested, please. You can go look for someone else. I am not interested.
Please now.
It's complete. Hey, thank you very much. God bless you. Hey, thank you. Oganayo, please. If it's the same old story, I don't want to hear it. I'm not interested. I've told you this.
Why are you doing this to me, Chisom? You know how much I love you. You know how much I care about you. Why are you only saying no to me? Why?
Love, care. We love help. Imagine God, because of us, died for us on the cross of Calvary. That same love made Judas his friend to betray him. So what are you talking about? If love will not bring food to my table, I am not interested. Ima like amigo. Nah, Bambo.
Please.
Is there anything else? No.
Please.
Please.
Biko. When you were Biko, forgive me. Forgive me. I have to rush to the kitchen and make sure what I'm cooking will not get burnt.
It's alright.
No.
How have you been?
No. Come on there. I'm fine. And how are you and your family?
We are fine. Except that Hiheka caught cold yesterday.
Child.
As a result of that rain. While peeling cassava for the family.
Why in a bamboo? Child. Each year, that rain was too much. I managed to escape it. Ezioku. Hi!
Also now, Emmanuel ending rain of the year. Millinana. That's how they come heavy.
I wonder.
Oh yeah.
It was much, oh.
It's alright.
Yeah. No.
Okay. This is my son, Simon.
Simon Umwagi.
Oh yeah. No.
The same Simon I know.
I'm around Fatu now.
Hey! The last time I saw Simon was when he entered secondary school.
Okay, yes.
That was when I saw him last.
Yes. He has not been there.
Obuna oburo na muamwe. Nke sotara nwe ya gafe o mara ya.
Nekwa na ụmụaka kita. Nna no, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you.
Chai.
Let's go straight to the point. Simon, here, my son, came to me yesterday and said he wants to marry Chisom. And I said, which is Chisom? He said, your own.
Chisom, mom?
Yes.
Hey.
I then told him that this information cannot wait till tomorrow. That we'll have to rush and let you know of this.
Hey!
That's why we are here.
Yes,
ma'am. Nka amaka. Iju na amaka.
Inweto go bisi somo sonya ogwamifa.
Ina anokwa. Nke abuzi n'isi mkpi danala na akpa mkpi.
Obulokwazi Ifechukwude.
Ifechukwude lo de go ya.
Oge me.
Chai
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No na chai. Iju na amaka.
Where is Chisom?
Chisom. She went to the farm. She went to the farm.
Nata na agbakwa number too much.
Ọ na-alụ ọlụ ka nwoke. Afọbara m.
Now, okay, there. Now I'm thinking of opening a bar. Urban oil business. Now I heard there's so much money in that business.
Boy. You can so cool.
What you know?
Try.
But forget it. There's no much money in that oil business.
Negative.
No, it's not about it's not about negativity. There's not so much money in that business. You can only make small money, maybe for all this small money for upkeep or something like that, but not that kind of big money you're expecting. I know I know what you already decided to have.
Okay.
I want them.
If to say this guy no be your friend, I for say thunder fire down. No, thunder fire you there. Thunder fire you there.
What are the impression?
Orugo nke na.
No, just imagine.
Okay.
Just imagine.
No wahala.
Just like that too. My guy, I've heard people talk so many beautiful things about this business, how lucrative it is.
Bam.
When they go to this business, men ne buba.
Is it boy gone?
Men ne buba. I don't na coffee shop. Na kotu.
Is it boy go? It's not the same business my friend is doing. Christina. Christy.
Okay.
Like driving Venza.
Okay. Chris.
Chris, I've done that business for 2 years. Just 2 years now.
Ordinary 2 years.
2 years. He has a Venza.
Chai.
He has a duplex that is building. Confirmed duplex. That very soon we will complete it.
What duplex on them?
Chris, I'm dodge.
You nako akoma kejara. Listen, let me tell you, monsieur. Otum na well o. Are you getting what I'm saying? That your friend Chris has not told you the real source of his wealth. Makobu one of this oil business as you're talking now. He's lying to you.
On your sauce.
On
your sauce. I get yigi host. Yigi boot, yigi talk, yigi jesigi bana field to gabo ball in a cocoa sauce. Look at this man, oh. Are we talking about sauce here? Are we talking about sauce here? What we are talking about is money that will sustain us with our families.
Bam.
And a river.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, na coffee sharako. Sauce or no sauce or basarani. Obasam. No. Because if at all that I have somebody who would have helped me in that business, one day I would have joined the business long time ago.
Ego there.
Ego to that business.
Money in it.
Because I don't have anybody to finance me on that business. Oh yeah, my name is Ezoku now. You know, Ezoku
Bundona.
Ezoku, that one that rides keke now. So that he will teach me how to ride keke. So that we will feel meet Chris, but that your friend too. You are going to be hyperchest.
There is money there.
How much money?
Guy, there is money there. You have a vision.
No.
You have a vision.
Learn again. I want to learn how to ride keke. Do you want to start now so I can help you and talk to him?
One day, just help me. I need the keke. Nah. Can't be the one. They come out where you go now.
Please, I will please go to Chiduba's house to know why he has not come out since morning.
Let's go.
Ogechi, you will agree with me that Chisom is not getting younger anymore. She needs a man to get married. And my son, Simon, is hardworking. Meaning that he will take good care of Chisom. Which further means that you will be taking care. Very soon you will be going to the city.
For Mugo.
You could see Glenn.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. No. No. Aye. So, my nana, Iche, ima no bro mo ko ga no. Obro mo ka achalo no na nkwolo ozugbo. So, I have to wait for my daughter to come back. I will relate to her. Then I'll get back to you.
Good. Very good.
I'll send message across, sure.
Like I said before, we will take good care of you. My son is capable.
So bad.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, Mom.
My father here raised me so well to be responsible. So I promise to take good care of your daughter, including you.
Hey! You can't tell me.
Yes.
No problem. Like I said, so when my daughter gets back, I will discuss with her and send message across to you. Okay? You're back. No. Oh, Mom, you're welcome. How was the sales today?
It was fine. I was even rushing thinking you have prepared the meal.
Mom, don't mind your mother. It was Mazobika that came here with his grandson. I was chatting with them and I forgot I was supposed to make food and keep for you.
Mama. Well, let me go to Mama Jide's shop and get biscuits. I can't survive in the next minute again.
It's okay. Hurry up, or please come back on time so that you assist me in cooking, eh?
I'll still assist you. Mama Zukwani. Mama, make it fast.
Don't worry, very soon now. Hey. China Bionza.
Second ball. Give my money.
Just a special kind of
Buy one.
so beautiful and so
Pick two on top.
Nice.
No,
Pick two?
she's one of a kind.
Hold on. I'm gonna do your wash. Buy your one. I don't see your cost. Give me.
Last card.
You don't see the clothes.
No, don't worry. See your cross 10.
Look at me. Hold on.
Obara.
Single, huh?
Obara.
Come board.
I go market.
Nah, guy. You know that girl, Chisom?
What about her?
That girl is a wife material. Do you know that I tried everything humanly possible for me to get that girl's mind to love me? She failed me.
Omo. If you really can convince her to love you. This is what she go believe.
I know fine.
Get away,
me.
But wait. So you two, you don't try.
To God, I tell you.
Guys, we need to see the way this girl was advising me. I go find something important where go help my life, so I go there busy. I wanted to slap that girl. Me.
You toast them too.
I toast them now.
To be honest with you,
1-0, 2-0.
See that
toast
girl?
that too.
No, I know I'm not a woman type. That girl is very beautiful. I doubt if that girl have a boyfriend or even I've never heard anyone of such.
I know be tough guy. If I told that girl 2 seconds, I go begin dating.
One day porno song. Porno song I'm nonsense. Stay na talk. Can you go again?
I bet play or what?
That money, if I not date that game, okay, bed.
My guy, I dare you. You will care.
How much?
20K.
Akwea?
Catch.
20K.
Yes. Give me.
Obayara.
Give me.
They put 22. You put how much?
You? Who I know? Like
you put your own.
This is my 20K. 20 back. Life. Where you get
So 60K.
Oh, they did buy board now.
If I date them, I go chop them. I no go refund anybody. No, brother. Because no one make you go.
Okay, you get Melia. You know fit do am.
Why I wanna put your money?
You know fit
you. Who I know? Where your own bring your money now?
Give me 2 weeks. If I
You
don't
know
see me, I
fit do am. Yeah, 20 pound abela board. You care. Can na call here.
Guy, bring your own money. Leave this word first. No do better.
Can na call.
Give me. Let me go hola.
Bring your own money.
This one I betting money. This one I betting money.
Buy one. This one na 20K, abi. This one na 20K.
20.
But this money no reach 20.
He reach, can't come.
Unless you go augment that from your betting money.
Na Togo be there.
My guy, I dare you. You will care.
How much?
20K.
Akwea?
Catch.
20K.
Yes. Give me.
Obayara.
Give me.
They put 22. You put how much?
You? Who I know?
Like say put your own.
This is my 20K. 20 back. Life. Where you get
So 60K.
Oh, they did buy board now.
If I date them, I go chop them. I no go refund anybody. No, brother. Because no one make you go.
Okay, you get Melia. You know fit do am.
Why I wanna put your money?
You know fit
you. Who I know? Where your own bring your money now?
Give me 2 weeks. If I
You
don't
know
see me, I
fit do am. Yeah, 20 pound abela board. You care. Can na call here.
Guy, bring your own money. Leave this word first. No do better.
Can na call.
Give me. Let me go hola.
Bring your own money.
This one I betting money. This one I betting money.
Buy one.
The most beautiful baby in this village. The Nicki Minaj of our village. Rihanna, the leg where you go. Your father. Oh, see as you find, go get manners. Wife material. Good afternoon. See here. You know why I like you, get sense. Where you go? You want to go fetch firewood?
Yes, I'm going to the farm.
Child, come. They said you will not agree for me, that I cannot date you. So they brought out money. It's like a bet. So please help me convince them that we are dating so that I will win the money, please. I'm not asking you to date me. Let's just be playing and acting as if we are dating, please. Help me. The money is big. Help me. Once I get the money, go your way, I go my way. It's just a game.
Are you sure?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Okay, let me just have your number, yeah? Ah. The Nicki Minaj of this village. Well, like you have sense.
Oh, don't disturb me.
No, I won't. I decrease. Thank you very much.
Just call me.
I will even call you this evening.
No problem.
Oh, Nicki Minaj of our village. The Rihanna of this village. The decrease.
Alpha.
Mungo. You know who they here. First step done there, you know what I'm saying?
It's a lie.
I go lie for you. I go lie for you. I don't know scoop.
This one nobody here within at the door.
I don't get number first.
It's a lie.
Step 1 achieve.
It's a lie.
See number now.
It's a lie.
Fresh number. You know that going to say, nearly my baby.
Nearly a baby.
Nearly now. This one first step. Second step. My baby.
That second step no go work. Leave that thing.
This one now for my ID. Initial gara.
Guy, let me again here. Go walk like this thing. Go walk like this thing, man.
I'm joking. Wow.
1
Mezie, how did he do it? Which Baba they run am for ram? Oh, nah, we call the. She just accepted, just like that. Just like that, too. Babe, I invested on my money and time. She turned me down, just like that, too.
Guy, I can't even believe that this is happening.
I swear.
I am the one that loved this girl genuinely from my heart, guy. But she didn't even give me attention. Yoruba went to her automatically. He got her automatically. Like jazz. Nah, there is something wrong somewhere.
Something.
Yeah, guy.
Yes.
But we'll find out.
Before Uncle now, I got dropped out.
Give what I love. You don't give me attention. My guy go automatically.
Yeah, Pronoko.
Can I walk with first? Can I walk?
Give me ya. How about this town? Nonsense. Baby. Chichi. Ayoma. Hey, Saj, you are looking so fresh this afternoon.
Don't tell me you came to my shop to tell me about love or relationship, because if that is why you are here, Ogamatu, I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
Chisom, why are you like this? I have tried so hard to make you understand, to make you see how much I love you, and I want to have you. Why you like this? See, look, I can take all. You see all this job that all these hard jobs that you are doing. You won't be doing. Just allow me to take care of you.
Ogamatu, did I tell you that I'm hungry? Ogamatu, look at me. Do I look to you that I'm hungry? Or have I begged you for money before? Ogamatu, I can survive without you. I can survive on my own. Why do men always think that the only thing a woman wants is money? Ogamatu, what's your problem? See, please, I don't have time for this. As you can see, I am busy.
Chisom, let me tell you something. No matter how buoyant or strong you think you are, as a woman, there comes a point in your life that you will need a man. It is a must. And, you know, I would like to be that man in your life.
Ogamatu, please, can you leave my shop? Ogamatu, Biko, leave my shop. I don't want to have this discussion with you. Ogamatu, Sieba.
Why are you so stubborn? Why are you so stubborn? Look, see, I can take care of you. I can do anything for you.
Ogamatu, leave my shop.
Why are you like this?
Ogamatu, Sieba, I have customers to come in a few minutes.
Look at me now.
Ogamatu, please leave my shop.
Am I not okay? Why are you always stubborn?
Ogamatu, leave my shop. Leave my shop.
See, let me tell you something. No matter how long it takes, I will make sure I have you. As long as we are in this village, I will make sure I have you and nobody else.
You won't allow me rest in this village. Why can't they just leave me alone in this village? But am I the only girl in this village? I'm not interested. I am not interested. I don't am interested. Hey.
How would they leave you alone? How would they leave you alone, Mama? You're a beautiful girl. And you have everything a man wants in a woman. But you have chosen to keep to yourself. You need a man in your life. You need to get married.
Mama Biko, I am begging you. I don't need a man in my life. And please, if you're the one that is sending them to me, stop sending them to me. I'm not interested now. We have discussed this. Mama Biko, I'm begging. I don't want to have issues with you. Let's go inside. Hey, Mama, before I forget, please, for the last time, I am begging. I don't need men in my life. I don't need anybody in my life. I am okay the way I am. Let me focus on my work. They know if I can go back to school. Nah, you go. Let me know. I don't want to say this again, no, in this house, please.
God, you are the only one to save this girl from herself. Oh.
She's a special kind of woman.
She's not a pig. She's not piggy.
What's funny now? Maybe she's asleep now. She's sleeping now.
It's Chisom that I know. She will do this easily to you. Not be you. I'll go marry you.
Wife material now. Here's the wife material.
Shebi we don't bet, Abi. No worry. I go shock all of them. See that girl? I go sleep with her and come prove. I will come with evidence. No worry now. Shebi we don't bet. The only thing I want to talk is say if I begin chopping her money, no remorse. I no go dash anybody even kobo. If I buy you a drink, thank God.
When we will be eating your money, when I get me now, no go show him mercy. We will chop the money. I get the money. I got tired. Get the money. That reminds me. How we go dey sure say into the thing where they talk? How we go dey sure?
Evidence.
Yes.
Evidence.
Yes.
Don't worry now. Say no more. I go knock him. I go snap him. I go bring her pint to join.
Oh, you serious? Hi, get me here.
She be like me na dey laugh. Bet me now.
I bet you.
Hi, get me here. You get me here.
Bet me.
That girl is your wife material now.
Say no more now. I go lie for you. I go bring pant. I go snap him. I go bring evidence. But I'm serious.
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved, the kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind.
Chijoba! Hey! That's what I'm talking about. Chijoba, have fun now?
My useless friends.
Wait, are you now going to the farm with Chisom?
Yes, now because she is my wife to be. So escorting her to farm is part of my work.
Our wife, oh.
our wife. No, the truth is that you two fit together, you know?
Yes.
With the white town,
you know? Too much look perfect together.
Yeah.
They don't ship us.
I can't wait to eat this party rice. But in whatever you do, please make sure you make me your best man. That's my own opinion.
Only me go do wedding without best man.
I stop all this. Besides, he has not even come to see my people.
Yeah? She even agreed.
She said she has not come to see her people.
Because Oba, when are you going to see her people? You need to escort. I can't wait to now.
Keep waiting, eh? While I escort her to her father's house first. Baby. I want. Well, let me remove something here. Let's go.
Monsieur.
Gossipers, when I wear them.
Monsieur, you see what I've seen? No, just take a look at it. Chigoba. Chigoba, I cannot even talk to a girl. He's not rolling with the most beautiful girl in this village.
My problem is that these two are playing along. They're getting serious by today. That's my problem. How can this girl is a girl that I love so much? Now she's a brother that cannot even talk to you, man. Yeah, please. I don't understand.
My money is at stake. My money is at stake.
She's back and now win this money. Now, let's go. You can't win this money.
So how did I do that?
You did well, oh. In fact, you need to start going to auditions. Jealousy won't kill them.
Are you serious?
You did so well. You know what? I owe you drink this evening.
But I can't make it. Can we leave it down there? I have to go to the shop.
Why now? Let me buy you a drink this evening.
You know now, I have to hustle. I have sister.
You are trying. I like the way you are playing this thing. Just let me buy you a drink.
I'll think about it. Maybe when I get home. Let's go. hard these days.
Don't try. Yeah? I say you're gonna put me. Not true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Baby. Take. So guy, how are you? You want to buy something from us?
I won't buy action bitter.
Okay.
No, let me serve him now. Now our shop.
We don't have to.
Is it our shop?
Okay, one.
Fine, no, fine.
How it work?
We thank God.
How much is it selling?
500.
500.
Please, I don't have change.
My baby. He's feeling it.
Thank you. Do you know, the way Chijoba is going with this girl, I think he might end up marrying her. Because the situation of things I saw today at his home shop, you not believe it. We were playing and hanky-panky like newly found couples and all. I was like, Jesus, what's going on?
Marry fire. Okay, Sano. Okay, Sano.
He don't get it.
Now what for you? The question should be, has he won the girl's heart? Or will they go be the girl? Is the girl in love with him the same way he's in love with the girl? So if I'm not boy, I can say marry.
Chai, arabalam. Uchu na bo odikuya. Have you people forgotten that Chijoba is doing everything humanly possible to win the stake involved in here? Have you forgotten that we stake that you're not the
Hey, Arabam. Do you know that I've forgotten that we had a stake on that girl?
Nah,
No. What was I thinking?
You see why I don't count his doings towards that girl?
Yes, now.
You see why I don't count his doings? You know, fake. Yeah, just the girl cannot fall for him. Okay, mama, is there someone more handsome than me? Anyway, let's go and meet our friend.
Okay.
And his newly found
love.
At least,
and I'm a walk on Okona, they couldn't walk.
I am home, so I'm going to home. Are you
The price of wickedness is so intense, you cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive. Can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy.
When I know how hardworking you are. Do you know the last time we even went to the farm? You are working so fast and strict. I want me to forfeit it. No, now, come on, I get today. We have to go to that farm.
I might be traveling to the city soon. There's this business that came up, but I'm not sure yet. But I might not.
What kind of business is that? What do you even do, Safe?
Anything that brings money, except stealing and killing. Don't mind me, I'm into real estate.
Hey, that's very nice, though.
Yes, we build for a living.
Hey, it's very fine.
I bought you food.
Food?
Dustbin.
Hey.
It's spicy.
Hey, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's so nice of you.
is a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved, the kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind, a decent woman. She is so down to earth.
Is it necessary?
Drop that one. Let's not eat it. Just a sip. Relax now. Smile. Okay, let's sit down and take it. Let's just sit down first now.
I'm tired.
Don't worry, sit down first. Are you tired? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Good on, after this picture, I'll get you food. Smile.
It's okay. Let me go and get the food.
No, don't worry. Let me get for you now.
No, let me get it now.
Let me help you now.
Are you not tired?
You're my acting baby now. Relax, let me go.
John is acting baby again.
Are you not my acting baby?
Oh yeah, now be fast, okay? I'm waiting. Hope there is water inside.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hi.
You can stop working for now. We'll try for today.
She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved, the kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind, a decent woman. She is so down to earth. She know the misbehave.
You bring enough water. You
Let's go inside.
You don't want to come and join me?
No, just eat.
Why?
I'm not hungry now. So I will sit back and watch you eat.
Okay.
You like it?
Very nice.
Don't mind that. Open at the board junction. That's the number one.
When I send a weekday here, now weekday here. When I send a weekday here, now weekday here. That babe, that V-Mobile, very sweet babe.
What are you talking about?
I don't knock him now. My happen to be this. I send a V-Mobile. See Anna, I go live for you. Anna.
I so wish to have this. I so wish to enjoy this. I will use my tongue and finish work there. I swear down.
But forgetting to understand that this pant does not prove anything. Yes, Chichupa might have gone to the market and buy this pant at the Oriental market.
Yeah.
Just to come and complete stuff. And you're here. Yes.
I know they talk too much. Maybe I go buy the pants for Oriental market. No problem. So I also took these pictures at Oriental market. You know, they're mad. See evidence now. I know so you go talk rubbish. Almost. See evidence. I snap her. She cried out. Give me my money. Where the money will bet? Don't provoke me. You ain't the money for time is now. So this I don't snap my.
Give me his money now. Give me his fault.
I go lie for you. I'm sure you don't come more money inside. I said I'll be more man. Okay. I go buy another 2 bottles. You know that I know the weekend. But I'm not going to give anybody shh. One for 1 naira, but you know, 2 bottles. I feel wrong.
The price of wickedness is so intense. You cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive. Can you pay it? When the time is right. It's a cause of no man. It's a cause of no man. The price of wickedness is a dangerous cause.
What is happening to me? You have no meaning. You face humiliation. Chizuba, I curse you today. You will face rejection and humiliation all your life. By the pure blood, my pure blood that stained the earth, Chizuba. Oh my God, I curse you. I curse you. Oh God, what have I done to deserve this? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Chisom, what happened? Chisom, what happened to you? Why are you limping? You what? What happened? Chisom, what happened now? Chisom, talk to me. Talk to me. What happened? You what? Chisom, talk to me.
I feel I broke my ankle.
How? Where? Where did you?
In the farm.
Okay, stop crying. Just. Where did you fall?
I fell in the farm.
Sorry. Just take it easy.
Someone. What happened? I thought you went to the farm.
Yeah, she fell and broke her leg while she was walking.
Hey! Ndo. Let me get water and to massage the leg for you, eh? What one?
I just want to go and take my bath. Can't I go to me
now? But no problem. Go on. After taking your bath, I will use hot water to massage the leg, okay? Don't.
Can't get up. Sorry.
Why?
My heart's been drowning in the dark. Let my tears speak for me. My joy is over in a flash. Jemuna love, oh. I've been keeping my heart for so long. I've been waiting all my days for the one. Now I see the rainbow smiling on me. I see my stars up in heaven shining. But is it my destiny to be left with a broken heart?
I thought you were supposed to go to your shop. Or is the leg still paining you too much? And why are there tears in your eyes? Eh? What is it? You're crying. Do you go to the hospital? Sorry. Okay, let me go and get you pain relief. You know, go?
Okay. I'll be fine.
Sorry. Sorry. Let me go and get pain relief.
The price of wickedness is sin.
Chisom! Are you okay? You've been weeping in your sleep. Chisom. It's nothing. Chisom, this was not nothing. Chisom! Look, you know we are your family. You can always talk to us. We can help you. It's nothing. Please don't tell Mama about this. Please, I'm begging you. Chisom, I know that we quarrel and everything, but you have to understand that I love you. And I'm ready to listen to you. Just please talk to me. It's fine. It's nothing. Hey, it's just a dream. Please, let's go back to sleep. I'm disturbing you. Chichuba, what have I done wrong to you? What did I do to you? What was my crime?
What is it?
I know you're going to deny what you did. You came into my life and won my confidence, Chichuba. You drugged and raped me in the farmland. You took my virginity. How can you be so cruel?
What nonsense are you blabbing about? I took your virginity, as in I'm jobless. I can't toast a woman again or what? Huh?
I know you will not admit to it. But God saw what you did and He will judge you. My God will fight for me.
He tried to hide a gallon mocha. Come back and meet you. You don't like what I will do.
My God will punish you. Oh my God.
Chisom.
Mama. The most beautiful girl in our community. Child, look at the one. What is it? Chisom. Opabia. Opabia. I don't know what is making you cry. But don't you ever do that again. That your pretty does not give you right to slap a man like me. He? What could be her reasons? Like, what happened to her? Chai. Jowa. Guys,
Keyo.
One, I saw Chisom and she was crying. It was as if she'd been served a hot, peppered breakfast. One day, it pained me with the rim. I started thinking, had it been, as Chijoba told her the truth? One day the thing pained me.
Which is you? What? I don't just hit the point. I don't get what you're saying.
No, go on, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that we staked on that girl? Ichefola. No, I'm not coming your name. Chai. But last, if I couldn't is premium the very cheap. Why the cheap? Very, very cheap. Chai.
I don't believe you on that. That girl Chisom is not cheap. That Chijoba succeeded does not mean any of us here will.
If I, on point. You orientation now? Didn't you see the way she slapped you just because you went to toast her? Ifolia? That's to show you that girl my worth, yeah, she knows her worth. Oh yeah, bro, you want to go? One love.
But if Chijoba actually dissed that girl, just because he has succeeded in bedding her, that means he's a visionless man.
Okay, now I'm a man of no vision.
Because Chisom that I know is a golden treasure that is waiting to be tapped or mined.
Nah, Ifeanyi, if that girl can give me a chance, if she can look at me, and accept me to be her husband, now one automatic, now media. Now that girl wife material now,
No. All wife material, no. You go there before. As a teller, I may repeat here. As a teller, not a shopping center by Kent. In my wife material, 1 million yards. Okay, open your mouth. Talk say need to let one.
I marry you. Now when I love you, you.
Okay, na konyo. Okay, to go jo. It's of you why that you want your own court. You to let one. Taya tankasa. Taya kato.
Mba.
Okay, forget that. You tell to be that one.
No problem.
Forget that nonsense. Okay, na konyo. Okay, you want to tie that girl. You want to cut your own. Now, own share you want cut. You tell me wife material again.
You na koila.
Hey, we go.
Hey, we go.
No one love.
Now one.
You. Messi, love. Ta, order. Do Messi. Messi to let one.
Chijoba. You mean you get mind, serve that girl very fast after taking her virginity? A girl that has not known any man except you, Chijuba. All the very wrong.
Listen, guys. I don't know why I have this feeling that Chijuba is lying to us. Yes! Because if you see the way Chijuba has been paroling with that girl, honestly, I have this sense that they are both compatible. They are both meant to be for life. Yeah, he's here telling us that. Who does that?
Guy, not the whine yourself. We talk say we go marry the girl. No be game we play. We say we go first knack am. Me, I play my game well and I don't knack am. So I don't love am, I don't want marry am, I don't need am. If una need am, I want marry am. Enjoy now. Me, we don't play the game, I don't win. And the money attract me now.
I just pray you're not making the mistake. Because I have this feeling that you're about to make a very big mistake that you live to regret later.
Ogwa mistake. Ogwa mistake. What mistake are you talking about here? I know this will happen. And it's happening. Boya, Onuabe. Onuabe.
Ilonlo. Don't tell me no that good. See, very soon I will come out from this village. Go city, go look for better money. That girl, I don't love him. I don't like him. If I want marry him, enjoy. If you want date him, enjoy. As for me, I'm no longer interested. I don't move. You understand? Normal. Standard. She's supposed to thank herself saying, let me take a virginity. No, they say, high star, take a virginity. Okay. So it's pay me, see.
Tankas at that time, see. If you say the girl, I was here. Tankas.
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls,
Yay! Chiamaka, what did you say happened that made the man to give you this kind of money?
Mama, nothing happened though. Mama, this man gave me this money so that I will help him to talk to Chisom. Mama, you will not believe if I tell you that this man stopped to talk to me and Chisom. Chisom walked away, snubbed him. This kind man gave me all this money just to talk to Chisom. For him on his behalf, oh, Mama.
Ezioku.
Just to talk to Chisom. Egonina.
Chisom, what your sister just told me, is it true? That you snubbed a prospective suitor that saw you on the road and was stopping you. You snubbed him. Or is Yoku?
Okay, for in this house. I'm gonna go now. Mama, if you're gonna go, enjoy. But as for you, I don't even know what to say. Mama,
Chisom Biaba! Chisom, come back here! Chisom! Hey! Chineke! Mama! Mana, this girl is a fool. What is wrong with this girl, Chisom?
I don't know.
Why does she have this poverty mentality running in her brain? Why?
Mama, I've been telling you this thing.
Hey!
Mama.
Yeah?
I have his number.
Ejoku.
Let's call him now.
Let's call him. Okay. Yeah. Chelo, let's call him tomorrow. Let's not sound desperate.
You have a point, Mama.
Yes.
Very valid.
Tomorrow. But, okay. Away from Waka, this man must marry Chisom.
Mom.
This one, the man that brought this kind of money. Mama, whether she likes it or not, This man must marry her.
See money.
Whether she likes it or not. If you are the lega, okay.
Sister, Chisom. Are you okay?
Has it been long you came?
I've been standing here for like 5 minutes now. Are you sure you're okay? This was the same thing you said yesterday when I asked you if you're okay. Are you sure you're not supposed to see a doctor? Anyways, Mama said that she can collect 2,000 naira from you.
Hi, Mama. When you are going eh? No problem now. Let me even follow you back to the house. I'm impressed.
Let me alone from the show. My egg, who got my egg? Chisom, Mama, what is wrong with you? Why do you keep shunning this young man away from you? Chisom Kanjukanagi, do you have the plan of remaining in my house till the end of your life? Is that your plans?
Ha! Mama, how does it go? Do you not want to ship me like a cheap commodity?
Yes. You just shun.
Mama,
tell this foolish sister of yours what Gregory came here to do today.
Do you know that Gregory gave Mama 100,000 naira? 100,000 naira! According to him, he said Mama deserves it for giving birth to beautiful girls like us. He said Mama deserves all the accolades for being able to birth us. That's not all, though. He gave me 30,000 naira. 30,000 naira. Just because I showed him where we are living now. So,
Emilia, did you hear that? A man who has not even known you was able to do all this. What happens when he gets to know you very well?
Mama, Biko. You and I know that money does not move me. Eh? My happiness is the most important thing. No? Biko, I'm begging you. I'll wait for again. I don't have your time.
Chisom, come back here. Chisom! Hey! What is wrong? What is wrong with this girl? Let me tell you, I cannot sit down and suffer to break my kernel for chicken to come and feast on it. It will not happen.
Don't worry. See, I'll talk to her. She's very stubborn. She's very stubborn. But I'll talk to her.
Because now I'm happy.
Jamaka, can you be your problem? What's your problem in this house? What's your problem? I told you I don't like that local rich man, but you still insisted to bring him to this house. For?
Chisom, leave that thing first. Chisom, see, I don't know that stranger that you're yet to meet, who doesn't even understand what life is all about. But with Gregory, your future is secured.
Gregory, look at your man. It's Gregory. I'm saying it's secured.
Chisom, are you pregnant? No. You are pregnant. Hey! Chisom, you are pregnant. You've been showing the signs. You have been feeling sleepy, tired, weak. And every smell irritates you. Hey! Chisom.
Hey, what is it? Chisom. Well, I know you always do everything to gain Mama's favor, so you can as well go and tell her what you have assumed of me.
What is it? Chisom,
She's a special.
I ask again, what are you doing here?
I am pregnant. And I'm carrying your child.
You must be very stupid. You are carrying whose child? Do you think you can tie me down with that bastard you are carrying? Because you say a young boy with bright future now. Yeah, pregnant. Are you the first woman? Don't get me angry. Go and look for the father of your bastard and stop coming here.
I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying. You did not just rape and disvirgin me, but you also got me pregnant. What have I done wrong to you?
Are you the first one to be pregnant? Don't you know what your mates do when they find themselves in this situation? Why are you coming here to nag up and down? Are you the first one? Nanya.
I cannot live with the humiliation, please. Please, I have to do something. I'm begging you. Please, I'm begging you.
Leave this place.
I cannot carry this here for humiliation. I can't carry this pregnancy in this place and allow Mama and others to mock me. This shame alone will kill me before my time. I have to leave. I need to leave this place and go far away where I will have my child. And if it's the will of God, I will return to my home someday. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Don't you have hand to cook? Do that, you're looking for your sister to cook for you. Besides, was it not both of you that slept last night? You should know when she woke up now.
Mama, if I know where Chisom is, will I be asking you?
Then we go inside. Check for her purse. If the purse is not there, that means she has gone to the shop or farm. Eh? Then you go and cook by yourself. Also, Nikki Malo, woman and if you're hungry, go and prepare something for yourself. She has gone to the shop. So Nikki Mali, woman and
Chisom! This thing is here. Chisom! Where did she go? Nah, I can't just get now. Mama, Chisom is gone.
Chisom is gone, how?
She left Mama. Chisom is gone. Mama, Chisom is gone. Oh. Mama, don't bother looking for me because I am going to a very far away place where you cannot find me. I am ashamed of myself right now. And any day I redeem myself before you, Mama, I will come back. Meanwhile, you and Chiamaka should manage the shop and use it to be taking care of yourselves. Mama, his name is God. He has left us all.
Should have spoken to me. Should have spoken to me about mother. Should have spoken to me. Oh, Jesus, have you not spoken to your mother?
When the time is right. Price of wickedness. Can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness. It's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? Price of wickedness. Everything we turn upside down, and you keep asking why me, but you was having a cause. You will be asking why me. You may have forgotten your past atrocity. Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness. It's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? Price of wickedness.
God! Juba! Juba! Juba!
Why they shout my name? Whenever I walk.
Come. Wait, you've not heard? You've not heard the latest news circulating in the village?
What's happening?
Yeah. Well, it's about Chisom. She's missing.
I take concern.
Rumor has it that she's pregnant. Because of the shame, she ran away.
Hey.
I thought you were aware. That's why I said let me just come out.
You see that girl, pretenders do the worst. That girl has been sleeping with different men. Yes, she was behaving as if she's a virgin.
Chidoba, you know the way you react to some certain talk like this, that's how I used to look at you. Are you sure your signature is not on this matter?
Napala, you're very, very stupid. You shut up. What sort of nonsense are you talking about? How dare you accuse me of something I know nothing about? Iboyala.
At least you tell me you're not aware. Instead of calling me names. Is that why you're calling me names?
Daniel, if I hear him now, not you. Enough of that nonsense. Shut up. Shut up. I think you know him. They go.
I should be going. You know cook.
Sir, please, just allow me stay here. I don't have anywhere else to go to. Please, sir, please help me. Please, I promise to keep everywhere clean. And please, I will not cause any trouble, please.
Look, my dear, allowing you is not an issue. But the security risk is what I'm looking at. Okay, but if you insist, it's okay by me.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I promise I will not disappoint you. I'll pack everything. I'll be sweeping anything. Please, thank you.
It's alright. As long as you promise to keep this place clean. Besides, we are even looking for people that will take care of this place. Okay, so you can stay.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
It's okay. You can take your things inside. Okay, you can take your things inside. You can make use of the bush whenever you want to release yourself. Okay.
God bless you, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you. It's okay.
okay.
The price of wickedness is so intense, you cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive, can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness, it's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness. Everything we turn upside down, and you keep asking why me, but you was having a cause. You will be asking why me. You may have forgotten your past atrocity. Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness, it's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness. The price of wickedness is so intense, you cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive, can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness, it's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness. Everything we turn upside down, and you keep asking why me, but you was having a cause. You will be asking why me. You may have forgotten your past atrocity. It's a cause of no mercy.
What am I?
Obinna! Obinna!
Ah, Madam Lady.
Who is this vagabond? What is he doing in my compound?
Sorry, ma, I'm not a vagabond.
Which one they are?
Madam Lady, I don't check on you before, but you know that.
That does not explain my deed. Mr. Man, who is he? Onyekobo.
Well, he's my brother. He just came to stay with me for a while.
I guess such. Now listen, two of you. If you want to stay in this compound. You know the rule.
I know.
You know the rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. You will pay for the toilet and water bill. After paying that, you can stay. You are free to stay. I don't have a problem with you if you want to stay. This compound is very big, can contain everybody. As long as you will not smoke and you will not fight. I know you may the compounder. Do you hear me?
No problem, ma'am.
Do that.
Yes, ma'am. Well, we'll come and see you later in the night.
You come and see me?
Yes.
See so. And I'm check. Oh, see so.
You know the parent? Who job is I going to pay toilet fee and water fee for my house where my brother the parent? Now this thing, what are they see for here?
See, that is the way the woman kept her policy. And you know the saying that says, policy is not wickedness.
Now nonsense policy with that. You must not accept whatever people say all in the name of policy. House where the parent I will come as your brother to stay small, they go say I go to pay toilet and water fee. If I try and make I bend, I no go try that rubbish. Tell us that another person don't come.
Meet me inside.
If she dey do that thing with Tona, tell us that another person don't come. I know she unless if I come out, I go carry her WC. I go move her toilet now. You know the parent.
Of wickedness is so intense, you cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive. Can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness. Everything we turn upside down, and you keep asking why me, but you was having a cause. You will be asking why me. You may have forgotten your past atrocity. Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. Price of wickedness. It's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness. Of wickedness is so intense, you cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive. Can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness. Everything we turn upside down, and you keep asking why me, but you was having a cause. You will be asking why me. You may have forgotten your past atrocity. Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause. Can you pay the price when the time comes? The price of wickedness.
My heart's been drowning in the dark. Let my tears speak for me. My joy is over in a flash. Ijemuna love. I've been keeping my heart for so long. I've been waiting all my days for the one. Now I see the rainbow smiling on me. I see my stars up in heaven shining. But is it my destiny to be left with a broken heart? Is it my destiny to end it all in pain? Is it
my brother? See, as God the bless human being, that's the move. No be lie. I want me to upgrade this business, and I want me to go pay rent for another place. We don't pass here now. Which kind of business? Eh now? Are you serious? Yes. I want me to begin go Cotonou. They import goods on my own, no matter how small. Like they bring out from Cotonou. You go favor us more.
Well, I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy to see how far we have gone. Glory be to God.
Yes, so to God be the glory. You say we try. Because now you accept me. Come show me way for the business before I come begin follow up.
Sure.
So but this importation go favor me.
You know my blood now. What you gonna do for you?
No, that Cotonou go favor me. No, they bring in this.
Oh yeah, now you say we go outside, go chill. Now you know say this is a celebration.
I mean the sponsor and this evening.
I will lie for you.
This money is enough for me to move out of this place. No. I have to wait first and see how much I will spend during my child delivery. May God help me.
I hope you are enjoying yourself. Yeah. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. What do you want?
Ma, please, I don't know if there is any vacancy in your shop so I can come out and work.
And if there is any vacancy in this place, what do you think you can do in this your condition?
Ma, please. Just Don't look at my condition. I can do anything. I can clean. I can even cook. I will wash plates. Anything you want me to do. I just need...
Young lady, please. Go. I don't have a job for you.
Please,
I can't employ you.
I just need money to take care of myself and my home.
You have to go. I can't employ you. When we told you young ladies to keep your legs in one place, you'll be jumping from one man to another, opening your legs anyhow. Now look at you. Almost looking like a beggar. Please, I don't want any trouble. Just go. Don't have a job for you.
Mama, please, I'm begging you. Please help me.
I said I can't employ you. Is it by force?
Malamoni, help this girl. You know why I say may you help this girl? Reason this thing what I want to tell you now. What if to say this girl carry this pikin like this? Go give all these politicians who they use pikin, they do all this gwagwa. But she carry and come say me you give her work. Now to tell you say she won't keep her. So you need to help her. Now, I dey tell you facts now.
Do you think this girl can work for 8 hours? At least that's what she can do for now.
You don't 8 hours. You don't try and first. Now try and see. Now what you dey do? Try and see. If you be say this girl strong pass you, no be choice. I dey tell you truth. Now reason now.
I be like say sense dey wetin you talk, sha. Just go inside. I'll come and tell you what to do.
Thank you. But thank you, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll never disappoint you. I'll never disappoint you. I'll try my best. Thank you.
What the hell do you think you are doing? I have a whole lot of customers waiting for me inside there. And you are here lazying about.
I'll soon be
Shut up and get to work. Did I pay you to come and be saying sorry? Wait a minute. Can't you see that this water is dirty for you to replace it with a clean one?
Sorry, I'll do just that.
Replace it and be fast about it. Lazy being.
Sorry, ma.
Let me finish it. Don't you want to break my rubber?
No.
Let me finish.
If I'm going to know this meeting, please say that you are most me and please see the fruit of your Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and about death. Amen. Blessed are you amongst men and blessed the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and about death. Amen. Glory be to the Father, to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. And it will be beginning as now, never shall be, now without end. Amen. Blessed are you amongst men and blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners now and about death. Baby.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. How you doing now?
Mama, your pikin not fine. Your guy not fine at all.
What's happened?
Mama, at the head. Oh God, what finish your guy? Mama.
David, you know say this business na wetin me and my son dey use throw. Eh?
I know, Mama.
How much did they owe me the last time?
6 pa. But don't worry, Mama. You get one gift card where I expect. Once you drop, I go run out for you. I promise. I go run out for you. Huh? You know my person.
My person.
Hey, Baba. Hey, Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. Very soon, one day, story go change. And I don't go forget you. Everything the way you do for me, I don't go forget you.
But David, now you get one thing I won't tell you. I don't advise you this thing before. You be fine boy. You be correct boy. See as you fresh. This advice why they give you since. All these Nollywood movies, all these films, why they watch for village that year. When you join all this Nollywood movie, at least you go dey do small movies with them. Blow like a Flash Boy and that name like a Zulonye them.
Mama, I don't hear.
So if you blow, you go dey remember me.
Of course, I remember you, but make a child first. Mama.
So make I put that for nylon now.
Mama, you don't understand. You think you hold me?
Chop.
Mama, wait. I beg. I know so I owe you. I know. But as I promise, that's what I expect once you drop. Please, I need just 2 back.
I know say it must come to that.
Just
I was just waiting for you to just say it. Maybe someone will help. But you know say market no today this time.
Mama, don't worry.
No today.
Mama, I no go forget you. If no be you for this time, people for them they laugh me. But you see all this is what you do for me. Mama, one day.
I don't hear.
One day. Kai! Mama!
Go by dragging me back to this village, Abi. You've succeeded, but let me tell you, you want piece in Unelukanko, you got who you know now. One single piece, man.
I want to move.
You want piece in Unelukanko?
I want to move.
I want to go for it. Goes on our room.
Is that a threat or what?
Oh God, call it anything you like. But get ready to beat me. Okay, get ready to beat me because I'm a busy man. Oh yeah, coin anya. I tell you. What are you doing for me? I want to move.
You are the reason we are here. You finished my money in the city. You are the main reason we came back to this village. So don't add salt to my injury.
Oh Diego. Okay, just go down because go and sit down. Hey, I'm gonna go. I'm going to solitude my man. I'm gonna go.
Eva, come here. It's okay. I will kill you. I will kill you. Hey, Mama, I will kill you. You are very, very stupid.
It's okay. Sorry.
I will use it for money ritual.
Sorry.
Leave my wife. Make you go. Idiot. Look at this mistake of a wife. And they talk. I will use you for money ritual. At least so that you be useful. Come here. Come here.
Obabiko.
Come here, what?
Obawanne, Biko. Obawanne.
My brothers, I was a successful businessman in the city before I married that Jezebel. I was doing well now. I was traveling to China. I was importing food accessories. I had 2 cars. When I met her and married her, cash was flowing. All of a sudden, I lost everything. I lost all my money in one night.
Hey, You mean you achieved all these things in 3 years you went to the city?
Of course now, when preparation meets opportunity, the result is always success now.
You even own a car?
2 cars. I had 2 cars. My brother, after marrying this girl, at some point, I was not able to fuel my car. Talk more of maintaining or servicing it. I sold them.
Sorry.
Now, the annoying part of this whole thing is that after all I've done for her, she has never for one day appreciated me. When I met her, I thought...
You think I don't know your plan? Wizard like you.
You see. Listen, I will kill you. Like calling me on your way, I will use it for money ritual.
Yeah, man,
I will use it for ritual.
Oh, wait for you, man.
I'm working on okay.
It's okay.
You're very, very stupid. Every time she's talking nonsense. Listen, I won't take this from you. I won't take this from you. I hate it when I'm talking and you're talking.
Oh, wait for you, man.
Very, very stupid. You see my problem? I'll be talking to you. I'll be talking, she'll be talking. I'll be talking, she'll be talking. Yeah, hold me, look.
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved. That kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind, a decent woman.
Mama, the mama. Oh, it's me. It's me.
Hey, baby. Oh, baby, you're looking so
Mama,
good.
see me now.
Hey, you just disappeared.
Mama.
I even thought you were having my money.
No, of course, you know I can't do that, Mama.
Hey.
I thank God for you, Mama. Mama, remember that way hunger the wire. If not for you. Huh? If not for Mama, God has blessed me. Mama, you're still here. Mama, dash these things out now.
Why you want make a dash my business? I know say that here they survive.
You know what? For you to believe, say things don't dissolve, eh? Right here, right now, I will transfer 5M for you.
Hey! Who said it?
Mama, you don't believe me? Give me your account. Give me your account.
I don't get account. David. I want one of my accounts.
Mama.
Hey!
Okay, you know what? Just close. Okay?
You want me to close?
And I go carry you now enter bank. Listen, with my boy now.
He's here.
See my guy. Hey. See you. You're not a big boy. Wow. Mama, let's go.
I will like this on ourselves.
Mama, dash it out.
She's a special.
Where are you going to now?
What's the meaning of this?
There's no way I'm letting you leave this house without giving me money. What's all this now? This has become your habit in this house. Every time you just leave without dropping money.
Okay, calm down. Once I come back, I promise I'll give you the money.
This is just the greatest lie of the century, and I'm not going to buy it this time. Always promise and fail. Baba, give me money, because.
But wait, leave me first now.
I'm not leaving you.
Okay, wait first.
I'll be not possible now.
Don't leave me. You're embarrassing me now. Leave me first.
Okay, Hapumaka, you're hurting me.
People will see me as a weakling if they see this. Stop first now. Okay, wait. To show you that I'm not running, let me stay this out. I will give you the money. My customer is waiting. Once he gives me money, I will bring it straight to you. Every man wants his wife to shine. I need to buy you those clothes more than you need them. But please, understand me. Trust me, there will be no tales by moonlight. Once I come back, I'll give you the money.
See, I'm not just letting you go because of what you just said, though, but you just steal money. But if you don't return to this house with that money, heaven will set loose. Trust me.
Thank you very much. I won't disappoint you, huh?
Can you pay the price when the time comes? Everything we turn upside down, and you keep asking.
Of course, the note here.
My money?
How much?
Bring 1,000. Buy.
No, 1,000 is too much.
I'm not everywhere. So support my ministry, sir.
No, I think I have 500 naira here. Which ministry are you talking about? You need to pity us that they've not paid for a long time.
They never pay.
They never pay us.
Who never pay?
Salary, government, time.
I resemble government. Let me cause some. Add something now.
No. There is no money here. Just manage that one. You need to pity us, please.
Give me 100 naira first.
I don't have more 100 naira. Meanwhile, the loans are not complete now. Two are missing from here.
What in the mystery?
2 cartons are missing. Where did you keep them?
Not me and you follow. Not be this is why I carry.
Which thing? I'm looking for 2 cartons of Indomie.
You don't make me talk so you're mad.
So you're calling me a liar?
But the thing now, what thing you show me I carry now?
Are you calling me a liar?
I swallowed it. Not me and you follow.
Let me tell you something. Maybe you have been stealing from other people. This is your last point. I will make sure you rotting your miserable and your useless body in the jail. Nonsense, you swine.
I slap customer. I slap customer.
Oh, this guy don't even know who I am.
Hello? This is Sonia. Who's this?
My husband has been arrested by soldiers. Why? What did he do? Stealing. He went to steal from army man's wife. And why are you not calling me? What do you want me to do? I beg. Stealing what? I beg. What's that?
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so.
I'm done, ma.
I'm going now. Let me go get things I do.
What? Are you going out?
Yes, I need to go get some groceries, okay? No. There's no food in the house.
No, ma, but lunch is almost ready.
Don't worry, you can go eat your own. Oh, when I come back, please.
Ma, you should have stayed to eat something.
Don't worry about me, okay? Don't worry. I'll be back soon.
Stop crying, okay? Find me something, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just tidy up the house, okay?
Okay, ma. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. This man, hey, this woman fine. She's fine woman.
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful.
You know the bank. This is wickedness now. Yeah, sorry.
Chijuba, do you know you're a very stupid man? A very stupid man at that. So you look for something to steal. It's just an ordinary pack of Indomie. Hey! Poverty is no good though, my husband. Eh?
Hey, woman. Why are you like this? He didn't steal it. Eh? The man forgot it where she bought it. That's what happened.
She found out that she forgot it in that shop, okay? She didn't steal it. Ozuria, before then it was late.
That's you guys' business. And to my darling husband, be very, very ambitious. Very ambitious next time. When you want to steal, make sure you steal something that worth millions of naira. Not these petty things you are stealing. Nonsense.
But where did you find this? Oh yeah, she's a Jezebel. This girl will kill you.
Onya. Karana. Wrong wife.
Very wrong. Go. Why are Jezebel?
Onya Karana. Wrong wife. Wrongest life.
It's a cause of no mercy. The rise of wickedness. It's a dangerous cause.
You are eating without calling me. Maybe this is unfair now. How can you be eating without even calling me?
No, don't put your hand in this food, though. There's no food for you, please. Don't put your hand, because
But I'm hungry now.
Really? I never knew you are hungry. If you're hungry, you would have given me the money I asked you since.
So because I did not bring money for this particular food, does that change the fact that I'm your husband? Or
You are my husband!
I have not been bringing money?
You are my husband, no doubt. When last did you bring money for food?
Baby, stop now.
Don't do this, I don't like this. Don't do this.
How can you be eating when your husband is hungry?
What you mean I'm hungry? I hustle for the food now.
Wait, let me eat. Just stop all this thing.
Eat what?
How can you be eating and your husband will be more open at you when he's hungry? Are you that wicked?
Stop now. What is all this?
Let's eat now. Stop.
Eat it. Eat it. What is all this?
Where have you been? I'm gonna be crying looking for you every year. What happened?
It's a long story. What are you doing here?
Well, I actually came to pick some things, but it's like they don't have it.
Oh.
You said it's a long story. Unfortunately, I have the whole day for myself. We can discuss it once.
Great. Don't think you haven't given up on me. I'm not the saint you think I am.
Well, let the person who has not sinned cast the first stone. We all sinners, so something.
Okay, let me have your business card. Maybe I can call you, then we can, chit chat. Oh, wow.
I've always wanted to talk to you, huh?
It's fine. Don't worry. I'll call you, then, tell you where I live so that we can talk. Okay? I'm actually in a hurry right now.
Let me see you.
It's fine.
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved, the kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind, a decent woman.
Hello, Gregory. That's my story. All my life I have known no man because I had dreams and passion I was building. But all that was shattered by Chijuba. He drugged and raped me and even denied the pregnancy. Who could have believed me? Because Chijuba appeared gentle like a saint.
Your story is so pathetic. Why didn't you tell me about this? I would have had him arrested. That was gruesome. How wicked can people be? Mama has been sick and she has been crying all day because she wants to see you.
I didn't know.
I thought about that too. Oh, well, Chiso. You know, I'm still interested in you. I still love you. No, I'm ready to take care of you and the little boy as mine.
Gregory, I'm not interested in marriage right now. You're a good man, that I know. But I can never be good enough for you. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm not asking you to say yes now. But at least you should go and see Mama first. Don't know how she's faring.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you.
I've been searching for a long time. I've been lonely for a long time. I've been trying to find the one for my heart. I've seen so many faces, I've seen so many sizes and shapes. I've tried to fall in love, but no one has captured my heart. But since you came my way, you've done something inside of me. Oh girl, without delay, I want you to ride with me. Girl, since you came my way, you woke on something inside of me. Girl, I want you, baby, cause you make my head go do. You make my head go hey, you make my head go do. You make my head go hey, you make my head go do. You make my head go hey, you make my head go do. You make my head go hey, you make my head go do. I've been searching for a long time. I've been lonely for a long time. I've been trying to find the one for my heart. I've seen so many faces, I've seen so many sizes and shapes. I've tried to fall in love, but no one has captured my heart. But since you came my way, you've done something inside of me. Oh girl, without delay, I want you to ride with me. Girl, since you came my way, you woke on something inside of me. Girl, I want you, baby, cause you make my head go do. You make my head go hey, you make my head go do. You make my head go hey, you make my head go do.
Nah, guy, this is tiring. I don't know whether it's well for you. I go buy fuel 1,480 per litre. I go drive my keke from morning till night. I don't go see passenger car. I go fill my tank. I go pay ticket. But you don't go believe say from morning till night, I don't go even raise up to 800 naira. I don't go see passenger car. What think can happen now?
Oh wow. Oh wow. Chiduba, you know, I've been thinking, why not seek for spiritual assistance? Maybe this whole thing might not be ordinary.
Forget about those ones. Who can be spiritual assistance? There's nothing spiritual here. I don't believe all those rubbish.
That is just the problem I keep having with you. Because you don't believe in people when they give you ideas. Now, forgetting that spiritual controls the physical. There and then you said that it's ever since you got married to your wife Sonia that things changed for you. What if she had this bad energy spirit that has been repelling good things from getting to you?
I will kill my wife. How can she be blocking my success? No, that's not possible. Listen, I don't believe in all those things. I might go for a spiritual consultation or counseling. The useless person there will tell me that you are the problem. And I'll come here and stab you to death before they tell me they are joking. I don't believe in all those things. Those people they need money more than we do.
How will you know that? Maybe from your ancestors, you don't know.
So guy, no provoke me now. If you don't have advice, shut up. Which one is from my wife to my ancestors? I quarrel with my ancestors. It's a physical problem. Let's say people don't like my keke again.
But that is the point I'm trying to make here. You need to go and see a man of God who will unravel the secret behind all these things to you.
I tell you, say these people you cannot trust them. Now watch they watch. Once you pay consultation fee, they must tell you one thing. May not be like said they know the work. If you know say anything, they'll tell you say see what you see. Huh? They won't tell you something based so you don't pay consultation fee. You won't go there whine me. I really reach one place now they go tell me say that you they do me. Before they go talk say a lie, I don't kill you. They cause problem more than solution. Give them. Nothing spiritual here. Then people hate my cake. The word is solution.
Mama, please take your drugs. Please now. Konu.
I want to see my daughter Chisom. Please. Go and call Chisom for me, please.
But Mama, you know there's no how I can reach Chisom. There's no how I can call her. Okay, just take the drugs so at least you'll be alive for till when she comes back. Ikonu. Mama, you're not feeling strong now.
I don't want to take drugs.
Mama, please now, take this drug.
I don't want my daughter.
Mama! Chisom! Mama, Chisom!
I'm sorry.
Mama, I suffered. Mama, I vowed to make money. To make money more than Chijuba and his host of friends. Atama fufu. Atakama fufu. I did all kinds of jobs. Ranging from hawking, working in restaurants and hotels, just to make little change, little money. Until one fateful day, a stranger, a good Samaritan, a young boy I helped in the past, gave me 5 million naira. 5 million to start up a business. I forgot to have it, the business flourished.
So Chijoba is the father of your child?
Yes, Mama.
He will never have him. Chijoba will never have this boy. Chijoba will never have this precious gift from God. He will never have him. For denying this boy and causing us all pain, he will never have access to this boy.
But Chisom, why didn't you ever talk to me? Because I know several times I asked you what the problem was. And you said you were fine. Why did you not talk to me? Why?
Chiamaka, you will not blame me. You will not. The truth is, I was scared. I was scared of what Mama would do to me. I was even more scared of what the villagers would say and the embarrassment. Mama, I lived a chaste life. Of all the young men that I turned down, Mama, they will mock me. And all the young girls that their mother used me as an example to them, Mama, they will laugh at me. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my fault. I didn't know what to do. I'm sorry.
It's okay, my child. You're welcome back home. I should be the one saying I'm sorry for being so harsh on you. Now I know that mothers should be closer to their daughters. Mothers should be their daughter's best friend, so that daughters will be free to relate to their mother, whatever that is troubling them. I am sorry, my daughter. Welcome back. This is a gift from God. I am so proud of you. So proud of you. Sorry. It's okay. This is a blessing. I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
Chiamaka! Mama! It is one who push me fast. Hey, Mom, you should have helped her now. Mama! 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 Let's wait, she's coming. She's coming. Hi.
Sorry, I was making sure that my grandson is secured and sleeping.
Mama, you don't need to worry about that now. That's why Helen is here. Let's go to the hospital. Hey, we need to run some tests and know what is wrong with you.
I know. When you people get to the city, she can be doing that. But now that you're here, allow me to take care of my grandson in my way. Because
Mama, don't worry. We'll finish all those conversations in the car. Let's be going.
Yes,
You don't want your
She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved, the kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind, a decent woman. She is so down to earth. She not a misbehavior. She's a special kind of woman, one of a kind. She is so beautiful and so down to earth. Unlike other girls, she's so reserved, the kind of woman for a wifey. Yeah, she's one of a kind, a a decent woman. She is so down to earth. She know the misbehavior.
My child, listen. Speak. Only just I should tell you that your problem is not from the water, but from the land. Listen to me. You will go to a major road in the middle of the night.
Major road?
Yes. Yes. You will lie down there for some hours. And no matter what happens, do not open your eyes. I repeat, do not open your eyes. I can hear you. Do not open your eyes.
Shuma, lay down. You say I go major road for midnight. You sure say that God talk that thing when you talk now?
I never said God said so.
Make I go lie down for major road for midnight, close my eyes, and no matter what is coming, I shouldn't open my eye. Eh? Even if lion they come, I don't open my eyes.
That wasn't what I said.
You sure say that God tell you that thing when you talk?
I never said God says so.
So who tell you? Who tell you?
I was just trying to tell you.
If I see the reason why I know bad slap you here, be say I did good mood. You are very, very stupid.
You're talking to the prophetess.
Which is a prophetess? Man, go like that for main road for midnight, close my eyes. Even if motor they come, man, open my. Like people, you go kill it.
You're talking to an anointed
man
of God.
Come
back, let me finish the prayers. God will speak again. Come back. Jah will speak again. Jah will speak again. Come back. Come back.
Now you see that woman? You just wasted my time. Don't try such nonsense again. How can you take me to such a person? She know they see Shimbam.
Chijuba, me go to yours again my first now. Do what you told you to do first. I'm not work cause you will know.
Guy, time is precious. I feed that shit money, but don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. That woman is fake, so why are you defending her?
There is someone you need to see. And trust me, she won't ask you to bring money. Just 7 cola nuts and hot drink.
What nonsense are you talking about?
His name is Ubani.
Ubani?
Yes, Ubani.
Hi, one sure deal. This man is a traditional seer. What did I think about this? Nagagabadi already.
I saw it anyway. Yeah, sure deal. Why are you quick to jump into these people's heads?
Confirm. Are we supposed to go stand? Let's go now.
Ube what is his name?
Ubani. Very strong man.
Let me think about it.
Don't worry.
Welcome to my home.
Hey! Choose someone. It's your book. This is your house.
Why is he crying? Yes.
Hey! Mama. Eh?
Mommy will be back.
On the TV for him, I'm coming.
Choose someone.
Mama. Mama, keep your back, Chamaka, you village girl.
Dosazi Abagi. Hey! So you mean this is your house?
As you can see, it is my house.
Why are you kind of rookie?
Mama, I told you what a man can do, a woman can do. Yes, so
you've been saying it,
man, in my life.
You've been saying it, Mama. Hey!
But that's by the way. Wait, you need to tell me that you did all this by yourself. Yes. Man, look at Chijuba and his friends. They are all vagabonds roaming around the village now. And vagabonds they shall remain. Amen. Amen.
Please, people should talk about the living and allow the dead to rest in peace. Eh?
That's bygone, Mama. Let's go upstairs because I'm very tired. Mama, you don't come upstairs.
Oh, let me enjoy this.
Yes, it's upstairs.
I know. I will come and sit down one later. Eh? Enjoy it now. Yay!
Okay, we're not seeing what that Boha Nedi anywhere in. O see when Egwani Aje. Ozono many Nediapu and Elewe Keriniwa. Elonye making you mean. Stretch forth your palm. Oi! Why are you this evil? Yet you seek for the blessings of the gods.
I don't understand.
The pure blood you shed that stains the earth is standing as a devourer over your blessings.
Great one, please speak freely so we can understand.
Your friend is evil.
Hey, Chijuba, are you this wicked?
Shut up.
I should shut up.
Shut up. Shut up. Please, what's the solution?
I cannot help you. Only the cause giver can help you. Take her to the place where you took a pure blood from. Make her shed tears of forgiveness. Only her tears can save you.
Hey! The door is locked.
The locker. Yes. From the look of this, it looks like they're not there.
This place doesn't look like where somebody has slept for the past weeks.
Hey! Maybe she don't carry her family go city. Hey! And nobody know the city or the state. Hey! Rabalishim, Rabalishim.
They're not getting it, bro.
Hey, my guy! Abeg. Yes.
Where is it?
If you are looking for the occupant of this compound, you can't find them. Chisom has taken them to the city.
Hey! Abeg, which city?
I don't know. She didn't tell anybody.
Oh, Tom Nawel. Oh.
Hey! Hey! What you go do now?
The price of wickedness is so intense, you cannot run away from it when the time is right. The price of wickedness is expensive, can you pay the price when the time is right? Oh, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness, it's a cause of no mercy. The price of wickedness.
What are you doing here? No, what are you doing in my house? Oh yeah, leave. Please leave!
I'm sorry.
I said leave my house!
Please, hear me.
Mama, never mind now. Chijuba, leave my house.
I'm sorry.
Don't Chijuba.
Mommy.
Ogini. Ha!
I have been suffering because of what I did to her. Nothing works for me. Whatever I lay my hands on stops working. I've been suffering since.
My house!
Please. I know I did you dirty. I did you wrong. I'm not supposed to do what I did, but I was senseless. It was useful exuberance. Please forgive me, please.
Chijoba, you're begging now. Chijoba, you are now begging. You thought you will destroy my daughter's life. But look at her today. Look at her now. Can't you see that her life is better off?
Mama?
Than you can ever imagine.
I went somewhere and they told me to come and beg her. And she must forgive me for me to start succeeding. And she must follow me to that spot where I raped her for her tears of joy to drop. That's the only way I will be saved.
But you never leave my house! Leave my house! Leave my house! Ow! Mama, Amaka. Mama, Chijuba. Mama, if he knows what's best for him, he should leave my side. It's okay.
I won't leave
this boy.
I can't live there. I need her forgiveness.
Mama, enter this car.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry, go hold for the let them open gate.
It was youthful exuberance. I'm sorry. Mama, please.
Mama, enter this car. Enter this car. Let me not see you here. Leave my house. I will tell you.
Oh no, don't put your life.
Chama, calm down. Calm down.
Oh, sister.
Calm down. Let him remain out there. He has become a destitute. and a destitute he will remain all the days of his life. I've cursed him, and cursed he will be forever. Sister, you should have allowed me to deal with that beast of a man. Teach him the lesson of his life. To what use? I've already avenged him. And the best form of revenge is to become successful, which I am now. To what use will you now go there to fight him? Just calm down. But wait. How did he find us? How did he know where we are?
My children, I want you all to calm down. Relax. How he got to know my daughter's house is not important. What is important is that God has proven himself in my family. And he has made it for all to see. So, Chisom, it's okay. Chiamaka. Mama, so calm down. Chisom.
Mama, why are you not sleeping?
I want to talk to you.
About what? What is it?
There's something I want us to discuss.
I'm listening.
My daughter, there's this word Joseph said to his brothers after they betrayed and sold him to the Egyptians. He said to them, your lot was meant for evil, but God turned it around to my favor. Yes, I know what Chijoba did to you is unspeakable. Pure evil and wickedness. But it has turned to your own good. You must have gone through a lot and suffered when all these things happen. But that was the lesson process that molded you into the woman you are today. Because God is a master planner.
So, Mama, are you trying to tell me to forgive Chijuba after everything he did to me?
Yes. I want you to forgive him and free your soul from the bondage of hatred. Makanandi Igbo say, Oji mmadụ n'ana, ji onwe ya. It's okay. It's okay. Your son is a bundle of blessing. It's never a mistake.
You want me to forgive you after everything you did to me? Chijuba, I suffered. I suffered the pain, the humiliation, the cold, the hunger. Chijuba, why you are?
I'm sorry. You are right. I did something evil. Please, I'm sorry. It was little exuberance.
Please forgive me.
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Mama. Find a place in your heart to forgive him. Stop counting the losses. Just remember what God has done in your life and forgive him, please,
Mama,
my daughter.
he's a bit. He's not even a human being.
Oh, please forgive him.
Please,
Oh, you can't mother
Chijuba. Chijuba. I'm forgiving you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay.
Lord. Afan.
This one you are returning back to the city. I hope everything is fine.
Yes, there is this customer of mine. He called me and said he has goods that he wants me to market.
Okay.
And the goods are worth millions. So I have to go.
Hey! Onyanko! I believed in you now. How am I going to go? Onyanko! Don't forget us. Don't forget we are the guys now.
Now you talk this one. You know blood. You don't show me love, bro. So I know we discard you.
Oh, wow!
What's coming from?
I do it. Escort. Let's go. This is Onyanko. My man. Let's go, man.
Shift.
Shift. Shift for my man. My man is good for himself.
My heart's been drowning in the dark. Let my tears speak for me. My joy is over in a flash. Ijemuna love. I've been keeping my heart for so long. I've been waiting all my days for the one. Now I see the rainbow smiling on me. I see my stars up in heaven shining. But is it my destiny to be left with a broken heart? Is it my destiny to end it all in pain? Is it my, how my story would end? Is it how I'll be buried in pain? My heart's been drowning in the dark. Let the tears from my eyes speak for me. My joy is over in a flash. Jemuna love, oh, I've been keeping my heart for so long. I've been waiting all my days for the one. Now I see the rainbow smiling on me. I see my stars up in heaven shining. But is it my destiny to be left with a broken heart? Is it my destiny?